Hello children, I hope everyone is doing good and staying safe at home. So let's continue our today's class. In this video we'll start lesson number 9, that is the solar system. And in this lesson we'll study about the sun and the solar system, planets, satellites and the stars. But before that I would like to tell you about the universe. Have you seen the night sky at night? It just looked like a blackboard. And the stars in the sky at night, it just look like as if some small dots are drawn on it. Okay, so all the objects that you can see in the night sky, they all are a part of the universe. Now what is the universe and how was it formed? Earlier scientists, they say, according to them, it was a small dot, but after that it stretched and it expanded, and later on it became very huge. It became huge, and as we can see today, so this is the formation of universe, and the scientists give the name to the explanation called Big Bang. Okay, this explanation is called Big Bang and it is given by the scientists. So let us start with the solar system, what the solar system is. Okay, in the solar system, first of all, there is a sun. Okay, and all the other objects, other objects that travel around the sun, like planets, stars, satellites, and so many other planets are also there. And in these all objects and the sun, it consists of the solar system. It makes the solar system. Okay, so let's start with the sun. What is the sun? You all know that sun is a huge ball of fire. Okay, and the sun is in the center of the solar system. Its location is in the center of the solar system, and because it is a huge ball of fire, so it has its own heat and light. Okay, because many gases are burnt into it. Then comes our planets. Second is planets. What are planets? Now planets are large and round natural objects. These are the natural objects. These are large also and round in shape, and they revolve around the sun on a fixed path. Fixed path means they do not change their path. Now they do not have the light of their own, but they get the light from the sun. Okay, and the path in which the planets revolve around the sun is known as that path is known as orbit. Okay, so there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, and according to the distance from the sun, I will tell you the names. Look at this picture. This is the sun, and according to the distance from the sun, these are the 8 planets, but they get the light from the sun. Okay, and the path in which the planets revolve around the sun is known as that path is known as orbit. Okay, so there are 8 planets in our solar system. Okay, and according to the distance from the sun, I will tell you the names. Look at this picture. This is the sun, and according to the distance from the sun, these are the 8 planets. So first is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So now the Mercury, as you can see in this picture, it is the closest planet to the sun, and here Neptune, it is farthest from the sun. Now first 4 planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, as you can see, these are smaller in size and they have rocky surface. Okay, and the rest of the 4 planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are bigger in size. Okay, they are larger planets and they have gaseous surface. First 4 planets have rocky surface and last 4 planets have what? Gaseous surface. Means their surface are gases, form of gases. Then comes to the earth. Okay, the earth, you all know that what is the earth? Earth is a planet, and on this planet we live in. Okay, and it is the only one planet in our solar system in where the life exists. Only in this planet the life exists. And why the life exists in this planet? Because in our planet, what is there? It has air that we breathe, water that we need to drink, and soil in where we live. Okay, so these just because of these conditions, the earth has life. Then moving on, satellites. Now what are satellites? These are the bodies that revolve around a planet. It revolves around a planet or a star. Okay, like satellites are of two types now. One is natural satellite and the other is artificial satellite. Now what is natural satellite? Now natural satellites are the these are the heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means the things that are in the sky. Okay, these are the bodies that revolve around a planet or a star. Okay, these satellites are also called moons. These are called moons, and in our planet Earth it has only one moon. One natural satellite is there, that is the moon. There are more than 180 known natural satellites in our solar system. Mercury has no moon, but Jupiter and Saturn, they have more than 50 moons each. Okay, now then come to artificial satellite. Now what are artificial satellite? Artificial satellites are man-made satellites. They are sent into space, and these satellites move around the earth or another planet, and the artificial satellite, they give us information, useful information about the planets. Like see, this is the moon and this is a natural satellite that our planet also have. Okay, our planet has the moon, and this is called an artificial satellite. Artificial satellite, this is man-made satellite. This satellite is made by man. Okay, so these are sent into space to get the useful information about it. Then is stars. Now what are stars? Stars are huge bodies of very hot glowing gases. Okay, and stars shine. Why do the stars shine? Because they give out energy in the form of heat and light, and they appear so small because they are very far from us. That is why they appear so small, and they appear as the twinkling dots in the sky also. Okay, so this much.